This video will show you on how to unblock your Paysafe account.
In order to access your Paysafe account, you should head on and first check your email. Paysafe usually sends a message explaining why your account was blocked, like suspicious activity or incorrect hire attempts or login attempts. Next is contact Paysafe support. You can contact here, which you can see right here. If you want to contact them, go to their official website, scroll to the bottom and click contact us. Choose account access issues, which you can see there, and fill out the form with your details. Make sure to attach a clear photo of your valid ID and, if requested, a proof of address. This helps verify your identity and speeds up the process of your unblocking the account. Next is submit your response and wait for their response also. It usually takes 1 to 2 days, and you should stay patient and don't try to log in repeatedly as it might delay the process.